Okay, let's continue. So we'll look at segments. So consider points PQ in the plane. So we have a point P and a point Q in the plane. Now we can ask, what is the segment joining the 2 points P and Q? What is this segment? So we can ask, what is the segment joining P and Q? So the segment is a set of points. So what is that set of points? So note that this is P and this is Q, and this vector is Q minus P, and any generic point on the segment. So this point is P plus 0 times the difference vector Q minus P. This point is P plus 1 times this difference vector Q minus P, and an intermediate point. So suppose this crossed point, this point is of the form P plus some multiple of Q minus P, where the scalar with which you are multiplying is between 0 and 1. So P plus a multiple of Q minus P, where that scalar with which you are multiplying is between 0 and 1. Any such point will lie on this segment joining points P and Q. Hence the segment PQ is just the collection of points. Intuitively we see that the segment PQ is the collection of points P plus T into Q minus P. P plus, you are adding multiples of Q minus P to P, is the collection of points P plus T into Q minus P as T varies from 0 to 1. So hence the segment PQ is just P plus T into Q minus P, where T varies from 0 to 1. Okay, so that's all for this part. See you in the next part.